Dati pa ako tapos, mga sisi. Yes, Ses. Alden Richard.
Kailan daw kayo gagawa ng movie?
My God, Alden Richard. Gawin na kasi natin yung concept ni isa. Yung sinabi ko kay Ate Ira. Kaya mo ba yun? Kakayanin mo yun.
Kaya.
Sobrang ganda ng movie niyo yun. Yun yung concept na, kababaliwan ko talaga to the highest level. At kahit di ako sanay maggaganon talaga. But that's yun, or yung isa kong movie na isa. Pero, hindi ka yun eh. Yung isa talaga yung para sa atin. But, for now, yun lang ang magiging what do you call that? That's the only reason, that will be my only reason to go back to acting for like one last film or one last two films. But if I don't get those, okay na ako. Dito na. I'm gonna wear earrings today. Today we will do Van Cleef. Kasi, pinag-iipunan ko pa yung isa kong Van Cleef, yung full pave na ganitong bracelet. Nakakaiyak. I'm a good girl this trip. I'm here to work. It's true though, I've been so good. And to think, nanggaling na ako ng Milan, pumunta pa ako ng Paris. Bawi-bawi din ang mga gastos in the past. Okay. That is it, Pansit. That is the look for today. Hill is gonna do my hair. You wanna see the makeup real close? You see the effect of the gray liner? Yeah. And then, I didn't fill up my brows so much. Okay na yan. Iba brush ko na lang yan mamaya.